So today, I will be taking you sa aking workday. So, papunta lang kami sa aming meeting sa arena because we have an upcoming event. A very special event. So, that's my friend, Bula, or Bubbles. And then now we're heading to our lunch, which is a Japanese one. And when we're indecisive, nagagaya tayo ng order ng friends natin. Taray ni Bula. So, that's salmon and yan, kung ano man yan. Tambay lang. And because we're waiting para makunan ng bagong ID. Because yung ID namin nag-expire every 3 years. And that's abo. Pinipilit niya talagang magkasya sa kanya yung uniform ng iba. Kasi ayaw niya nang bumalik sa ibang araw. Ayaw niya nang kunin yung uniform niya. So, ayan, magtitiis siya sa kanyang picture sa ID niya. Na ganyan na kanyang suot. So, after 3 years, mapapalitan naman daw yung ID niya. But yun, bakat ang kanyang nipple. Well, okay na sa kanya. So, yan. Laugh trip lang talaga. And ngayon, pumunta kami sa National Bookstore to buy some of the things we need. And yan, mayroon pa Wheel of Fortune. Nanalo si Ken ng Rexona. One more spin pa. And of course, nanalo na naman si Ken ng, guess what? Rexona again! Mukhang may sinasabi ang universe sa'yo, Ate Kellen. So yan, pag may matcha, automatic yan. Bibili na si Kellen for me and her.
Hirap talaga
so,
nakakalabas tayo.
Kailangan kumain talaga pag napapalabas eh. So, for this day, si Jessa ang aking driver. Thank you, Jessa. Thank you, Kellen. Okay, may jowa tayong na-trap sa City Hall. Hindi siya makauwi dahil nakamotor siya. Okay, nasundo na natin ang ating driver. Fun, so fun, oh wow. Never know when you're mine, oh mine, mine, oh mine, treasure. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces fast, and I'm homebound. Sabi ko ay sakit talaga kasi na ulo ko. The one to pay for her, you pick a shape. And then we rate it.
Basta, lagi ka lang ng shape. If gusto mo ito, 1, ito yung 1.
Sige, kung paano mo nilagay.
Don't overthink. Just put the shape. Kung saan mo siya gustong ilagay.
Wala naman tong puso, okay lang.
Wala kang gumawa ng ibang shape.
I mean, wala sa puso.
Ah. Basta puso ko shape.
Wala sa puso yung
pag-iisip.
Oo.
Wala. Okay. Can I see?
Ah!
What is this? Circle! Is it? You show the camera. Is it circle?
Circle, right?
Which one?
It's a
2. 2.
Wala kasi akong patungan, no? Dito.
Yung patungan niya, chichirya.
How about yours?
This is mine. Panoorin mo na lang sa vlog para malaman mo kung ano yung una ko pinili.
Ano ba yan? Oh, ito na pareho tayo. Okay. So, you put, in the circle, you put wholeness.
Wholeness?
Yes.
Na word?
Yes. I use this. Hawawa ka naman.
Here?
Yes.
Sa loob?
Dito lang. Lagyan mo lang
Bakit
wholeness.
nalagay pa?
Spelling ba to?
Ah, hindi.
Wholeness.
Yes. And then, on the
Hopeful.
cross, you put relationships. On the spiral, you put transition. On the triangle, you put goals. On the square, you put stability. Okay. Are you done?
Yes, ma'am.
So, yung number 4.
Mm.
Okay. Ano yung 4 mo?
My 4 is goals and
Okay.
your 4 is
Goals.
goals.
What does goal mean to you?
Ha? Ano ba to?
Bakit?
Nakakainis.
Bakit?
Gusto mo na kumain ni Shelly.
Hindi
Kailangan
recite?
explain?
Oo.
Sulat.
Explain mo.
Nakakainis. Parang kayo nasa retreat.
Go, tuloy yan ng life coach.
I think ito yung mga natututunan niya sa work.
Kaya very JRP.
Yes. What do you mean by goal?
Ikaw muna sumagot. Ayoko ng mga ganito eh.
Sa GPT ko. Goals, bakit?
Gusto mo naman.
Baka mali yung sagot.
Wala mali o tama.
We're not the right person for this exercise.
Goals ko ay...
Ginatuto ko din si Carl kahapon. Tapos nainis lang ako kasi parang hindi niya
Kung ano yung mga...
naiintindihan yun.
Kung ano, what for me? Ano pagtingin ko sa goals? Could be dream. Ganun. Dreams na lang. Ano ba yung sinasinalim set?
Kasi the 4, umisit. The 4 means that's your past self.
Oy.
Meaning, and your number 3 is your current. So what does transition mean to you?
Nakakainis yung what the
Trans-Pinay. Ano?
Transgender Philippines. Girl, nagtatae yung ballpen mo.
Ballpen mo yun, girl.
Ayan.
Ano
Ay, ano ba
three mo?
number 3 ko? Stability.
Your current is stability. Do you feel stable right now?
Yeah, stable lang. Ano na siya? As in.
Meaning kasi, sabi, where you are right now, currently, meant that you came from your number 4. Which means, at some point,
I achieved some of my goals.
Yes.
That's why I'm stable right now.
yes.
Si Shell.
So you're in your transition period.
Really?
Wow.
Kaya nga-
Because of my goals?
Kaya I'm asking, what does transition mean to you?
Bakit? Sa work.
Change.
Oo.
Yeah, maybe.
I think parang nagpa-plan ka for something.
Yes.
In the future. Yes.
So, baka you have achieved something that relates to your current state.
Since na-achieve ko na siya, I want to transition to something
Yes.
else.
Ako hanggang dito na lang ako. Kaya na to.
And then, number 1 is your goal.
Number 1,
Yes.
relationship. Ang
Ooh.
tagal naman girl.
Transitioning to relationship.
My number 1 is to transition.
Yes, yun din na number 1.
Gusto ko mag-
So, baka you want something
More.
to change.
Oo, kasi nandito pa lang ako. Kailangan ko mag-level up.
And then si Chels, baka naman, your goal is something related to relationship. And then, your number 2 is your inherent strength. So, masasabi mo bang yung wholeness mo ngayon is, ano yung number 2 mo?
Relationship.
Relationship is your inherent strength.
Pwede.
And then, number 5 is your, ano ba yung sulat ko? Unreleased issues. Ano yung ito? So, do you think stability, ano yung 5 mo?
It's wholeness.
Do you think your
You're
number
not whole yet.
I'm
Do you
just
think your number
1/4.
5 is achieved or denied?
Your stability.
I'm not stable yet. Ganun. Or is that a question
It's a
for
question,
myself?
yes. That's a question for
Ano yung
yourself.
wholeness?
Kasi for
I'm
you
not
to be
stable
able to achieve number 1, so yun. For you to achieve number 1, you have to be
Whole.
whole. So you can address your number 5.
Pakichat nga po yung akin.
Ganun din. So for you to transition, you use your inner strength. So you can address the wholeness.
I think bading ka. I think ano ka.
Well,
Transition din yung ano ko, what if?
I think so too. For you to be whole, you need to
Oh
be
my
true to
God.
yourself. To be a tranny.
oh my gosh. Oh, ito yung sagot sa akin ni Lord. God in every step.
So yun
My
lang siya.
transition.
So does it relate?
Siguro pag iisipan ko kung anong yung wholeness. Pwede.
Yeah, I think so too.
Siguro parang hindi pa lang namin iniisip ngayon na...
Kasi pinagtatawanan niyo ako.
Hindi, parang kasi...
Nakakainis kasi yung what does transition mean to you?
Ganun nga yun eh.
Baka dapat you have to rephrase your question in your current state. Are you going through any transition in your life?
O, hindi yun ang gawin mo sa ano mo.
Sa mga ano.
Kasi when you say transition means to, parang i-define ko lang sa'yo, girl. Transition
Oo, akala ko
is
i-define ko lang.
What does transition mean for you?
currently for you.
Nakorek pa.
Teach it.
Hindi natin afford yung pizza, kaya pizza wrap lang tayo. And lasagna. And of course, potato salad ng Venus family. So here. Yum. Bulan ba, Bel?
Okay ka, okay.
Ay, grabe. Okay ka daw.
Grabe kayo.
Grabe kayo. Welcome back, Cantores! Dahil nandito ka, wala na si Ludet.